Hey, welcome. I gotta show you another listing that we have. This one is in the subway of the downtown area. And if you're not familiar with the subway, what it is it's a whole hallway full of different businesses, art galleries, restaurants, and convenience stores that you can use while you're visiting the Rochester area, visited by thousands of people every week. And in there, we have what used to be a bank. So in 101 First Avenue Southwest, we have 1,700 square feet with impressive 80-foot ceilings. And along with these 80-foot ceilings, there's huge glass windows going all the way to the top of this property and lets in lots of light. You have to check it out. It's really an interesting piece of this space. Also in there, we have a waiting room, a conference room, there's individual offices. This space actually even used to be a restaurant. It's in a very high traffic area, and it's close to convenience stores, close to art gallery, close to restaurants and coffee shops. So if you want to learn more about this space, reach out to us at RGI. We'll be happy to show it to you.